All right, everybody. Today we are cutting out this motorhome glass with our WRD Bison. We got our Bison all set up, got our U-lock in place, and we are going to start cutting this guy out. Got both our drill and our hand crank and a couple of guards here, just in case. So let's get to cutting. Across our bottom first. You can see out there we've got our Equalizer Sentinel set up for when we are ready to pull it out. We're going to try to pull up and around this corner first, then we'll pull across the rest of the bottom and we'll cut the top out in the end. A little too high. Really like the Bison pump. It only takes a few to get it locked in place. Across there, that corner. Now let's cut across the rest of the bottom of this guy. Not a whole lot on this dashboard to protect. Of course, maneuvering around the steering wheels are always fun. Lock down, pull around our bottom corner here. Side. Pull our service sticker out of the window real quick. Come up around this top corner. So I'm getting some cups on the outside to help maneuver this guy. And just got the middle here left. Don't want to push too hard on that. We don't want to push it out on top of them. We'll let them get situated. And then we will finish this cutout. Good? All right, let's finish this cut. And we are loose. You good? That's how you pull a windshield on a motorhome. Cutting out with our WRD Bison. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.